Hey guys, I'm Super Flashlight. Welcome to Super Flashlight's React Saturday. In today's new episode, you're going to hear me react to NS half Autorack, half Intermodal trains. I have to go to my computer right now and start reacting to them. Okay, this is my first NS half Autorack, half Intermodal train. Okay. As I was saying, this is NS290. I could see it coming east. Hey, I remember this. It was from June 24th. Here it comes. Oh my, look at all those Autoracks. Isn't that cool? First the Autoracks and then here comes the Intermodals or double stacks. Wow, this is so cool. And a single stack, of course. Now that's what I call a half Autorack, half Intermodal. Here's 212. Eastbound NS 212, half Autorack, half Intermodal. Okay, this was taken from November 2018. November 2nd. Wait. November 3rd. Hold on. This was taken from November 3rd, 2018. This was taken from November 3rd, 2018. 290 was taken from June 24th, 2017. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I can hear the horn. Oh my goodness. Honk. Here it comes. Ah, 212. Save yourself. That's a funny one. Okay. And here comes the double stacks and single stacks. Oh, and it has tractor trailers too. Oh my. Now that's what I call a half intermodal, half Autorack train. Half intermodal, half Autorack train. This is so much fun to look at it. You know, look at all those tractor trailers on flatbeds. Double stacks and single stacks are on well cars. Also known as bare table cars. And by looking at this, look at it all. Oh, and there's some containers on the flatbeds too. Isn't that cool? Oh, it's an empty flatbed. If you want to see the end of the train, because this is a 4-minute video. Are you sure? Okay, well here's the end of the train. Wow, Triple Crown, so you no longer are like rolling along the rails. Now you're being carried on flatbeds. Okay, I knew you were carried on flatbeds. They're just in the current part. I mean, the current flatbeds. That's the end. Next one. Eastbound NS24C. An elephant style half Autorack, half Intermodal. Wow! Oh my. I just remember this from last month on May 13th. It's starting to rain. But look who I see coming. I hear a horn. It's 24C, but only one side has its windshield wipers on. Oh my goodness, look at all those Autorack cars. You see them all? That is so cool. And there goes the intermodal cars. All the double stack and single stacks. You know, some of the bare table cars are empty. See what I mean? One of them's empty. And now it's all flatbeds. All flat, bare table. Now I'm moving the camera. Hey look, it's the upgraded crossing sign. Yes, finally! I knew I would put it in this video. All flat, all flat. It's raining, it's raining, it's all flat. And there's the end. Wait, you want to hear the horn for 211? Here it is. There it is. Sorry about that. Want to hear it again? Quickly. There's the horn. I have to go back to my camera. Well, that's all I have. But hey, at least I got to see a new one, which was 24C from the new spring trip. Well, I have to get going. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video with a smile. See you next video.